guys, it's Steph and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video of me unboxing my MacBook Air and the Magic Mouse 2. I love doing these kind of unboxing videos just because it's so fun to like look back on. I know I did my camera unboxing video and then obviously I'm doing the MacBook and the Magic Mouse today. So without further ado, let's just get on with the video. We will start with the MacBook and then we'll grab the Magic Mouse and then I will pair that together. So this is the MacBook Air 2020. I did buy this directly from Apple, which is really nice just because I wanted to make sure that I would get my full warranty and everything just in case something was wrong with it. I also did already open this just because I wanted to charge it and make sure everything was okay just so I could film. So I got the space gray. So as you can see, I already did put up a screensaver and set up like my Touch ID. So I got all of the beginner kind of like setup questions and all that done, just like I said, because I wanted to be able to show you guys it. Inside of the box, it did come with its own charger. But what's different about this charger is that each side has the same attachment, if you call it. Adapter. I'm not sure what you call that. That's really cool because why is that cool? I don't know why, I just thought that was cool. It is a little bit harder though, just because if I do want to charge my MacBook, I am gonna have to have the specific charger for it, just because obviously it's not a regular USB that would normally go in there. One thing I really love about this MacBook is that it has the Touch ID up in the top right. Obviously you can type in your own password if you want to, but I just like to do the Touch ID because it's super fast and it just goes right into your home screen. So I just picked a basic wallpaper that they already had just because I really like these colors. But obviously you can customize it to the way that you want it. The MacBook itself obviously didn't come with a case, so I went ahead and I ordered one from Amazon. I love this case. This case is super cool because it only opens up on one side. Zipper is only right here, and then the material on the inside is a very kind of velvety, puffy, and it's like that all throughout in there. And then it also has some pockets and stuff up here in the front, so I can always put my mouse in there and extra notes and stuff if I need it. Next, I'm going to be opening up my Magic Mouse. This is the case that it comes in. I have not opened this yet, so I'm so excited to start using this. So this is the Magic Mouse 2, but what's cool about this is the same charger that you would use for your regular iPhone. You can charge it wherever. For every 2 minutes of charging this, it actually equivalates to 9 hours. I was told if you charge it for 2 hours, it equivalates to about a whole month of using this. So I thought that was really crazy. And then it just has a little feature on the back, and if you just flip this up, it's supposed to connect right to your MacBook, so we'll go ahead and try that. So we're gonna go over to the settings and then go under Bluetooth, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this on, and then it just pulled up as Steph Demetrius's mouse. That's cool. And it's connected. That was really fast. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it. Oh yeah, it works. And so inside the Magic Mouse box, it comes with another charger, which is great. Can never have too many of those. And if you stay till the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I am hoping to do a later video on how I edit my videos on my MacBook, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to like the video and subscribe if you're enjoying this kind of content, and I will see you in my next video.